All right, people. It is late November, the week of Thanksgiving. We're going to start out with the hula. Let's see how we fare with that. There's a fish. That looks like a pickerel, which I would expect in cold weather like this. Okay, we'll take a pickerel. Do a little release by the boat. If we can. There we go. There we go. What do we got? Oh, we got a perch. I got a perch. Yeah, chunky guy. Okay. We're fishing. We're catching. We're catching. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate you being on Thanksgiving special. Ourselves another perch. That's a good sized perch too. Okay, there we go. Not a bad perch. Okay. We got your merch. Now we got your perch. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. What do we got here? Fish on? There's a snot rocket, aka. Not a big guy, little dude. I'm gonna get you out right here. There you go. Later. There's a perch. There's two perch following it. Oh, jeez. There was two perch following it right to the boat. That was pretty crazy. There you go, buddy. Alright, probably time to hightail it out of here.